You probably don't give it much thought, but fresh water crosses your mind several times a day. From the moment you first turn on the faucet to that time when the water bill arrives. Considering that a family of 4 uses an average of this much water a day, it's amazing how little people know about where their water comes from, how it gets to you, or why it costs what it does. So here, with the help of our own water meter, is the least you should know about that water that you not only love, but need to survive. First, everyone's water comes from nature, from snow melting in the mountains to rivers, lakes, and underground aquifers. Getting this water to where you are can take hundreds of miles of pipe, thousands of watts of electricity, and hundreds of hours of manpower. This is the part of water that you pay for. Your water provider first pumps water from the source through underground pipes to a water treatment facility, which processes millions of gallons of water a day. Here, it's cleaned, filtered, disinfected, and tested constantly by professionals until it's safe for you to drink. This, your future tap water, is then pumped into a pipe distribution system, sending water to homes and businesses through miles of pipe deep underground. Many of those pipes were installed decades ago and must be repaired or replaced. And that's how water arrives where you need it: to shower, wash your dog, cook a meal, water your lawn, put out fires, and make lemonade. Oh, about that water bill? Each month, utility professionals read your meter to track your water use, just doing their job. Water, so vital to life, still costs less than most services we use today. Even after you've used it, your water doesn't disappear. It's collected and cleaned by your local treatment plant until it's safe to return to waterways and be reused by the community or your neighbors downstream. Providing clean water keeps communities healthy. But managing our precious supply while keeping costs down doesn't just happen. Every step in the fresh water cycle is a big job for our nation's utilities, and that's where you can help. By sharing the cost and conserving water for future generations, we can all help to keep fresh water available and affordable today and for years to come. The pleasures and the cost of fresh water belong to all of us. Paying your water bill is an investment in our water future. So here's to safe drinking water, and the pipes, the plants, the power, and the people who make it happen. That is water's true value. To learn more about your own water bill, contact your local water supplier.